So today I worked on this project. These user profiles were already good. So these were revised already, and I also worked on because I confirmed to the lead developer that we regarding the Academy transfer. So by clicking in the user profile, and we can edit it, and we can also transfer the student. And because I have confirmed that we also need the screen for accepting the transferee. So this is what I have come up with. So like in my previous videos, instead of having the student management in the dashboard, so because this is the lead developer have suggested to me to put the student management in the dashboard as a tab, but since we also have the transfer management, and so we have this student history, we have this student management, and the student transfer management, so all of these are about students. So I have decided also to have this student menu, just students instead of student history. So inside this transfer management, so this is the tab for the student management, and this is the tab for the transfer management. So in here, all of the list, or like for pending, for the status of pending, the successful and the declined were here. So we can also filter this. So this is the transfer request area. So as we can see here, it will say no transfer request yet. And so the action here is we can view the profile or view the details. So this is the transfer requests. So it is also showing the name and then the transfer locations. This is the original locations, and this is the like where it is being transferred. So the user of this account can either approve or decline. And I am also like so let's go for this first. So this is the view profile. So by viewing it, this model will appear, and as we can see here, there is no upload image, there is no add class list, and there is no adding additional notes and adding activity and notes, because this is just for the view purposes. From this is transfer management, and we can also filter that if ever by viewing the profile or here from the transferee, the super admin can check the history and the class list. So, and by viewing the details, so the model here will depend on the status. So by viewing the details, this is the details for the declined. So all of the details are here. So the transfer ID, student name, school, and then grade. So transfer from, and then transfer to, so the date of transfer. And also I did put this relative time to somehow how long it is already in this record. So transfer by is also somehow we can like check or record who wanted, or like who recorded this transfer. and this is also the declined by. So somehow we have this record for like who is the user of the account who declined this student, and that they declined and the reason for declining. So this reason will appear depends on the reason, because if like in here, if we decline student, this model will appear. So like it will ask you to specify the reasons for declining and then decline. So somehow the the user who transferred the student will somehow check or see the reason for the decline. So this is the decline view details. This is the view details for pending. So like if I have transferred a student and it is still pending at least, and like if ever it is taking too long to transfer it, at least we still have also record of when. So like maybe it is just today or maybe 5 days ago. So it is like somehow we know how long it was already being transferred. And this is the view details for the successful. So all of the details are here, and these are the models for the transfer successful, for the model of why it is being declined, and then the successfully declined. So I think that's all. I will also, or maybe if ever we can also add here by like transferring multiple students, because in here I'll talk to the lead developer about that. And I also worked on this re-enroll screens. So because in here we have this ongoing and then expired. So like for me, expired isn't like the term isn't sound too about school. So what I did is I changed it to, instead of ongoing, to active courses and then past courses. And then I also added the enrollment period. So instead of just period, I created it this way. So also instead of just name, I did put student name. And in here we have also this colored process, like a process bar. What I did is since this is the active screens, I wanted it to be highlighted as this colored, so somehow it can be distinguished that you are on these screens because you're in this process. The screen is in this process, because in here it's kind of confusing to have everything in the same color and format. So if we are in the screen of confirming, this will be colored too, like this one. So, and I will be working on that too. I will continue working on that. So yeah, that's all in my end.